South Carolina amateur radio operators fight to amend homeowner association restrictions that prohibit the installation of antennas on private-owned residential properties. On Wednesday, February 28th, South Carolina hams gathered at the State House to express their support for Bill H-4549, also known as the Amateur Radio Antenna Protection Act.
Told you guys that the amateur radio operators, or also known as ham radio operators, are at the State House today. I just wanted to give a little bit of a follow-up. Ham radio operators play a vital role in their communities. During emergencies or natural disasters, or when traditional communication networks may fail, which a lot of us experienced last Thursday, hams step in to provide crucial communication links for emergency responders, relief organizations, and affected individuals. Their ability to deploy quickly and establish reliable communication networks can be life-saving in times of crisis. The bill that I filed, House Bill 4549, would require counties or HOAs to conform to the amateur radio preemption, which states that local ordinances that involve placement, screening, or height of antennas based on health, safety, or aesthetic considerations must be crafted to reasonably accommodate amateur communications and to represent the minimum regulation to accomplish the local authority's legitimate purpose. So thank you for all that you do for the state of South Carolina, and we hope to give back to you. Thank you so much for coming out.
The bill is currently in committee and has picked up additional sponsors since Wednesday. If you reside in South Carolina, you could ask your representative to sponsor the bill by going to scstatehouse.gov. Click on House of Representatives. Then on the left, click on Find Your Legislators. Enter your address and click Find Legislators. Under your South Carolina State Representative, click the name of your representative. Then click Send Message to Representative. You could then fill out the form and ask your representative to support Bill H-4549. Make sure to subscribe for updates. 73s, and thanks for watching.